Welcome to IAS by Heart YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking into the islands of India by concentrating on important facts for prelims. Now let's start. The first island we'll be looking into is Andaman and Nicobar. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands comprises of 572 islands, of which only 37 are inhabited. It is also an union territory of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by the 10-degree channel, which is also marked by the 10-degree north latitude. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands also host Andaman and Nicobar Command, the only tri-service geographical command of Indian Armed Force. The Andaman Islands are also home to Sentinelese people, an uncontacted tribe. Next, we'll move into Barren Island. Now we can see the Barren Island here. The Barren Island is an island located in the Andaman Sea. It is a part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is the only confirmed active volcano in India. Okay, we can see the active volcano here. The next island will be Narcondam. The Narcondam is a small volcanic island located in the Andaman Sea. So this is also a part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It was classified as a dormant volcano by the Geological Survey of India, which means that it is not an active volcano now. Next, we'll move to Kachativu. The Kachativu is an uninhabited island administered by Sri Lanka. Okay, we can see here it is an uninhabited island. In 1974, India recognized Sri Lankan ownership of the island on a conditional agreement. Now, this is under the territory of India, but it has been a contention between India and Sri Lanka till 1974. Only in the period of Indira Gandhi that the agreement was reached in order to establish Sri Lankan control over the island. Next, we'll move to Sriharikota. As we all know, Sriharikota is a launch pad of Indian satellites. Sriharikota is a barrier island. Okay, we'll have a better look at this. See, it is separated by the mainland by a small channel. Hence, it is formed by a deposition of sediments along the coast. We will also study what is barrier island in geographic classes. Sriharikota is a barrier island off the Bay of Bengal coast, located in Shar Project settlement in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. It houses the Satish Dhawan Space Center, one of the two satellite launch centers in India. The other satellite launch center in India is Tumba Equatorial Launch Center in Kerala. Next, we'll move to Hope Island. Hope Island is a small tadpole-shaped island situated off the coast of Kakinada. We can see the shape of the Hope Island here. It's a tadpole shape. This is also formed by the sedimentation of ocean waves. It is a relatively young island. It was formed in the late 18th century from the sediment outflow carried by the waters of Koringa River, a distributary of Godavari. Okay. Next island will be Dr. Abdul Kalam Island. As we all know, Wheeler Island was recently renamed as Dr. Abdul Kalam Island in the year 2016. It houses the Integrated Test Range Missile Testing Facility of India. This is where all DRDO tests are being taken place. We'll have a better view from. Okay, as you can see, it is an island off coast of Odisha. Next island will be Sagar Island. Sagar Island is an island in the Ganges Delta, lying on the continental shelf of Bay of Bengal. Sagar Island is a part of Sundarbans. However, it does not have any tiger habitation or mangrove forest like the other Sundarban Delta regions. So this has been classified as a part of Sundarban Delta, but it does not have any mangroves. That's the significant part of this island. Next one will be Newmore Island. Newmore Island is a small uninhabited offshore sandbar island in the Bay of Bengal. It emerged in the Bay of Bengal in the aftermath of Bola cyclone in 1970. Only after the emergence of the cyclone in 1970, we came to know this island to be existed there. However, it disappeared in 2010. Hence, we do not have any marking here rather than only administrative territory marking here. Next island will be Majuli Island. This is a very important island because it is the largest riverine island of India. Majuli is a riverine island in the Brahmaputra River, Assam. In 2016, it became the first riverine island to be a made district in India. Majuli is also listed as the world's largest riverine island in the Guinness Book of World Records. Earlier, a riverine island from Brazil on the river Amazon was classified as the largest riverine island, but after the formation of Majuli Island, it became the largest riverine island in the world. Next island which we look into is Willingdon Island. I'll just zoom out a bit. Willingdon Island is largest artificial island in India, which forms part of city of Kochi in the state of Kerala. Willingdon Island is significant as a home of port of Kochi as well as Kochi Naval Base. Hence, as we see, it is the largest man-made island in India. Next, we look into Salsette Island. Salsette is an island in the state of Maharashtra on India's west coast. The metropolis of Mumbai and the cities of Thane lie on it, making it very populous and one of the most densely populated islands in the world. It has a population of 15.1 million living on an area of 619 square kilometer. So this is where Mumbai and Thane lie. So this is going to be the most populated island in India, as we can see. With this session, we wind up the important islands of India. We'll be looking into some other geographical concepts in the next video. Thank you. This is Saravana Kumar signing off for IAS by Heart.